is Shubham Tiwari. I'm one of the member of the team technically that has participated in the Soft Code hackathon. And but our project is basically that is render movie. We are calling it render movie. It is a centralized information of movies and show. Basically, we are using IMDb's API to fetch the information of the searched item. Whatever you're going to search on our basically project, it will render the information about the movie. So this is basically the structure of React. We are using React. These are node modules. Basically, we need them to basically all the DOMs, all the state functions, all the hooks, everything that is we are going to use is in node modules. Here is the this index of HTML. We basically root it. Here you can see we made a root. We are getting this element by ID by .js, and we are moving our app to the root to the HTML basically. So I think everyone knows how the React.js works. It basically does not reloads the whole page. It basically changes the info, changes the components or changes the hooks that are changed. So this is the basically structure we are importing React, useState and useEffect as these two are going to be used in our project. And we are using movie card, basically these JSX files in which our cards basically are from this. Oh, it's compiled, I guess. So yeah, it is running. So what are we basically doing first? We have created a movie card. We have the imports that will be used in our project. So first we have created a variable API URL in which object basically we have filled this URL, and this is the API key which given to me from the IMDb. You can see IMDb API from here. The transfer line. So basically you can get the API from the IMDb website, and then it is loading. So first, this is how the first page will look. Here you can search anything like gives you all the information that is present on IMDb's database. It fetches from the IMDb's API. It basically fetches. Let me show you. It basically fetches the IMDb ID, but basically the structure of JSON file of how the movies are stored in the IMDb's database. And here you can see 1999. You can see in the year also, and the poster, which is you can see title basically here, the title and the type. Basically, it is a series. It is not a movie. As you can see here, it is a movie, so it is also fetching the type. You can also get the details of what are the basically you can say overview of the whole movie, overview of the whole series. You can fetch that also, but I think IMDb does not let us do it because they do not get all these functionality in just a free API. As this API is free, we can use it in we can use only 1,000 API callbacks. As you can see, I can only search basically whenever if I'm going to deploy this website, I can only search 1,000 times a day. Something. So what we are first doing, we are creating development, basically a whole development in which we are getting the year. See here, and we are getting that poster from the IMDb's movie card, and then we are posting it here. And then after hovering, and then we also getting the information like type and title of that. As you can see, type, it is a series and it is a title. Its title is One Piece, and you can also get anything else. Like, see all the things. Death Note that has been, like sent live till now. You can see it is a year, and it is its type is movie, and its name is Death Note. And then after that, we are exporting this movie card to app.js. So after we created the API URL, basically used to hooks use state in which we are only getting the search term whatever we are searching here. Since after search, I'm submitting it, but as you can see, after submission the page does not load. So what is doing is this, it is known as the hooks. We're using hooks to create the website more dynamic, and as it is not loading and no extra server callbacks are done here. So that's what the user of states here you can see is. And after that creating the use state of searching that term, we have also created a one more use state of movies and set movies. As you can see, it is a blank string. As you can see, whatever we are going to enter is going to be enter here, and then it will go to search term. And how are we like creating the search movies? Like we have done this search term, but how are we going to call this second use state? Sorry. Sorry. So here we created a search movies object, and then an asynchronous function. Whenever um, so whenever something that is entered in this search term here, so that will be fetched in the by the API URL, and it will get the title of it. So you can see it will call the title of that whatever we have searched, and then it will like uh, the second states will be awoken up, and then it will search all the information of the like whatever the IMDb ID, what is the year that it has been launched, what is the type of it, what is the title. That title is basically we are searching it beforehand, but it will also, here you can see it, movie card, it will also do it. So yeah, what are we returning? The first place. So there's a movie card, movie land, basically you can see this one, and then we are inputting basically search term. So as you can see, value, whatever value will be entered, it will be sent to search term. It is a JavaScript. As you can see, it is entered, it is written into the curly braces, and then on change it will like set this second parameter of use state. That way the whole hook will be awoken up, and then it will call the second hook by this constant. So after that, same goes for the image tag, and after that, movie's length. If the entered movie, supposedly I'm entering with you can see it is not, it will search. So it is no movies found. So after that, if it is, if does not found it, so it is, as you will see, it is a statement written in JavaScript. As you see here. This curly brace starts from here, and it basically ends here. It is a if else statement. If it is found, then it will basically call the movie card component. If the movie basically exists, then it will call the movie card component. Otherwise, it will show this. So it is a if else statement. If this component gets if this statement basically is true, then that way this movie card component will be called. Otherwise, it will move on to this one. As you can see, we are sending the movie to movie card.jsx. As you can see, it will fetch all the information of movie, basically IMD ID, year, poster, title, and type of it, and then it will return the whole movie card. As you can see this. Uh, Not nodes, it is node. And yes, like this. Same as for Demon Slayer or anything else. Whatever movies, like for Bollywood movies, Agra supposedly. Um, I'm not sure that this right spelling of it. So yeah, Aga's the edition. It is a movie. Say Sholay, Sholay something. It will search also the Sholay. If you can see here, this is Sholay. All this information is stored in the IMDb API, and we're fetching it. But sometimes IMDb's API hasn't has this, like it is not really showing the photos of it. So that's all right. So this is the project files. So that's it, and has been an amazing experience using React.js, as it is basically amazing, as we can use movie card. As you can see here, I'm using movie cards. We can use components as whatever the way we like to. So that is it. Thank you so much. Uh, this is it from me, Shubham Tewari, uh, leader of what was name? Techie Geeks. Yeah, Techie Geeks. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. See you in next video.